Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the display's model and inputs so you know what cables and adapters you need. Once that's clear, plug a verified power cable into a known good outlet and switch the monitor on. You should see a power LED. Make sure connectors are clean and seated tightly. Loose contacts cause no signal. If the unit has a manual input button, select the matching input now, because that immediately moves you into the next setup phase. You now focus on the signal chain. Attach the video cable, and if converting, for example, VGA to HDMI, use an active adapter so timing and power are correct. Next, set your computer's output resolution and refresh rate to values the display supports. Mismatch settings give no image or scrambled text. Once done, use the display's on-screen menu to confirm the input and tweak brightness and contrast so text is legible. This ensures usability and reveals any timing. You finish by securing all cables and mounting to avoid wiggling that breaks old contacts, then perform color and contrast tweaks so images look natural. Save settings if the display supports memory. Make sure ventilation is not blocked to prevent overheating. If you encounter a blank screen, first swap the video cable and test the display with a different computer to isolate the fault. If the power LED is off, recheck the power source and fuse. This simple sequence solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.